From your smartphone, tablet, or computer, visit portal.anytimepediatrics.com. Choose the appropriate app store and download the Anytime Pediatrics app. Select Open. Choose Create Account. You'll be prompted with our terms of service. If you agree, toggle I have read and agree and continue. Use your email address and create a password. Your password should be at least 8 characters with 1 capital letter, 2 lowercase letters, at least 1 number, and 1 special character. Provide your first and last name, cell phone number, and your address with the city, state, and your zip code. Be prepared with your child's pediatric practice code. Select Yes. Enter the 4-digit practice code for your child's pediatric office. Choose the purple plus sign next to the practice name. Select Yes and choose the green arrow to continue. Provide insurance information, or if you wish to decline, simply toggle I don't have insurance or I wish not to use it. Add your child's first and last name, date of birth, gender, and you have the option to provide allergies or known medical conditions. Then check to attest that you have legal authority to seek care for them. Use the plus sign to continue adding children until all have been added. For scheduled appointments, use the calendar icon at the bottom of the screen. Choose Start Visit within 15 minutes of your child's appointment. To add another pediatric practice, choose the icon at the bottom with 2 Band-Aids. Select the plus sign and add a practice code to add another pediatric practice. Use the purple plus sign by the practice name. Select Yes, and close. For on-demand visits, use the My Children tab on the bottom left side of the screen. Choose Request Visit next to the child's name. You will see our emergency warning, and if you agree, click Continue. Confirm the state where you're located, and select the practice for this visit. Choose Continue. Then view our consent to treat and toggle I have read and agree and continue. Choose your child's chief complaint for this visit. You'll then provide their current weight and any medications or additional symptoms. We recommend adding a photo, especially for rashes or lacerations. A pediatric clinician will be with you shortly.